Welcome sa aming Hong Kong travel video series. We are Jay, Rose, and Kish. Join us as we share our experiences sa 5 days na visit namin. Nagsimula kami sa isa sa mga pinaka-famous attractions dito, ang The Peak. We started with the Peak Tram.
Okay, now bring the tram ticket, go straight to the gate.
Okay. So kapag kumuha ka ng package, hindi ka napipila sa entry ng tram. Kasi dediretso ka na sa akyatan. So yung binayaran namin doon sa 2-in-1 combo ay 890 para sa aming tatlo.
Go, Kish!
Go, Kish! Go! Thank you!
Dikit na dikit.
Dikit na dikit, boy.
Ang steep ng ride paakyat at ang ganda ng city view habang maakyat kami. Unique experience talaga, parang time travel vibe habang tumitingin ka sa modern skyline ng Hong Kong. Pagdating sa taas, first stop namin, Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. Dito talaga kami nagtagal kasi ang daming interactive at picture-worthy exhibits. May mga sikat na Hollywood stars like Jackie Chan, Bruce Lee, Angelina Jolie at Brad Pitt. Meron ding famous singers tulad nina Ariana Grande at Justin Bieber. Syempre may section din for Asian idols and actors na kilala sa buong region. What made it really fun, meron ding sports legends, world leaders at fantasy characters tulad nina Iron Man at Spider-Man. Ang saya kasi parang naghahalo ang real world and fantasy. Kids and adults alike nag-enjoy kasi you can pose with them. Parang kasama mo talaga sila. Every corner, perfect spot for photos and videos.
Si Daddy. Ako pigil na.
Good!
Ako naman. Gaganyan ka. Gaganyan ka.
Oh, sige, so.
Oh, wow! See? Madame Tussauds. Four. Let's go. Ang dami pa pala, no? Pagod na ako, ha? Pagod na ako, eh.
Sadly, the Sky Terrace was closed during our visit, so we missed the panoramic view of Hong Kong from above. Pero okay lang kasi sulit pa rin yung museum experience. After exploring, nag-stroll lang kami sa paligid, enjoying the chilly breeze and city vibes. Overall, a really fun day, and we're just getting started, ika nga. Stay tuned for our next video. Disneyland Day awaits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food and travel adventures.